Hey guys, this is Arun here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I am going to unbox my new microphone from Boya. It's a BY-MM1 microphone. So I have purchased this from a store near my house. So this costed me around 2500 rupees. If you want to buy it online, I'll put the link in the description box below. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So here it is, our brand new microphone from Boya. It's the Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid microphone. So on this the price is written 3000 rupees, but I got it for 2500 rupees. So you can see it's compatible with a phone, tab, laptop, camera and video cameras. So here are all the specifications, and then over here you've got to see the Boya branding. So let me just grab my knife and quickly cut the seal. So here I have cut it. So let's open it. So that's it. In the box we get a warranty card and a user manual. So here it is, our main microphone. So you can see it has a very nice filter on it. Here's the 3.5 mm jack, the Boya branding and the model number, and you have got a good quality cover also in this. So there's something okay. So you can fix this end in a tripod, and here you can mount the microphone. So you can even keep it on a tripod or any camera. Then here it's a nice case from pouch from Boya. Then after that you get to see two cables over here. The two of them are same cables. This is a bit long and this one is a bit short. So let me just do the sound peripherals and show you quickly. So now the audio you are hearing is from this Boya BY-MM1 mic. So it has got a very large filter on it. Like, I'll just remove the filter and show you how the real mic looks like. So this is the actual mic. I mounted it on a normal tripod. So it's the actual mic, and this big is the filter. So it has something, a rubber type of it on it. So you just need to drag, put it into it and then push it like this. So your filter is applied on your mic, and it's a very nice filter and looks very nice to me. And how is the audio quality? Please tell me in the comment section below. Meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay at home.